Hello everyone and welcome to Coach Pathshala. In this video tutorial, I will share 282 keyboard shortcuts of Microsoft Excel. Yes, 282 keyboard shortcuts. And this is how I'm gonna explain this. I'm gonna explain the first 50 keyboard shortcuts with a little brief, and I will show you how you will be able to find the rest 232 keyboard shortcuts all by yourself. After watching this video, you will be able to generate 282 keyboard shortcuts all by yourself. So without going any further, let's get right into the first section.
Ctrl A to select all the data. If you click outside of any table and click Ctrl A, it will select all the data on the sheet. But if you click on any table and click Ctrl A, it will select all the data of that very table. Ctrl C to copy. Ctrl V to paste. Ctrl Z to undo any task. Ctrl X to cut. Ctrl V to paste. Ctrl B to make the letters bold. Ctrl I to make the letters italic. Ctrl U to underline the letters.
Ctrl S to save your work. F12 to open Save As. Ctrl N to open New Workbook. Ctrl O to open any file. Ctrl D to duplicate data or fill data vertically. Ctrl R to fill data horizontally. Ctrl : to insert current date. Ctrl semicolon to insert current time. Type just delete from your keyboard to delete any data. If you want to copy any formula cell below, type Ctrl single quotation. It will copy the formula from the above cell, and type Ctrl double quotation to copy the value from the above cell. You can see that in this cell it is in formula mode, but if you type Ctrl double quotation, it will copy only the value, not the formula. But if you type Ctrl single quotation, it will copy the formula from the cell above. Ctrl+ to insert any column or index. Ctrl- to delete any column or index. Ctrl+Y to repeat any task. Since last time I deleted a whole column and I typed Ctrl+Y to perform the task again, and it deleted column B. Ctrl down arrow to jump to the last index. Ctrl up arrow to jump up. Ctrl right arrow to jump to the rightmost index, and Ctrl left arrow to jump to the leftmost index. Ctrl F to enable find window. Ctrl H to enable replace window. Ctrl G or F5 to enable go to window, and if you type any index name here and click OK, it will indicate the index number that we want to find. Ctrl K to enable insert hyperlink window. Ctrl P to enable print options. Ctrl Shift L to enable filter options. Alt equal to perform Autosum. Alt down arrow to show the drop down. Ctrl 1 to enable format dialog box. Ctrl 2 to make the letters bold. Ctrl 3 to make the letters italic. Ctrl 4 to underline them. Ctrl 5 to insert strike through, Ctrl 9 to hide any row, Ctrl 0 to hide any column. Menu button plus F to open Format Cells window. Menu button plus M to insert any comment to an index. Menu button plus N to clear content or to delete any data. Menu button plus O plus S to sort A to Z. Menu button plus O to sort Z to A. Menu plus O plus C to sort by background color. Menu button plus O plus F to sort by text color. Menu button plus S to open Paste Special window. So this is it. This is the first section. Like I said earlier in the beginning of the video that I will explain the first 50 keyboard shortcuts, and in the second section I will explain how you will be able to find the rest 232 keyboard shortcuts. So here comes the second part. Let's begin. Now if you type Alt from your keyboard, you can see that some suggestions appear on the top. Now if you type these suggestions, it will drive you to the corresponding functions. Now if I type N, it will take us to Insert tab. If I type M, it will drive us to Formulas tab. If you make a combination of Alt plus these suggestions over here, you will get 15 new keyboard shortcuts from these suggestions. Now if you type Alt plus F, it will take us to the File section. After reaching the File section, you can see that it is showing some suggestions as well. Similarly, if you type any of these suggestions here, it will take you to the corresponding functions. And if you make a combination of Alt plus F plus these suggestions, you will get 15 new keyboard shortcuts from this page. Similarly, if you type Alt plus H, you will get these suggestions, and if you combine Alt plus H plus these suggestions over here, you can generate 46 new keyboard shortcuts from this page. From Insert tab, you will get 30 new keyboard shortcuts. From Page Layout section, you will get 27 new keyboard shortcuts. From Formula tab, you will get 24 new keyboard shortcuts. From Data tab, 32. From Review tab, 17. From View tab, 22. And from Help tab, you will get 4 new keyboard shortcuts. Now if you accumulate all these keyboard shortcuts, you will get 282 keyboard shortcuts. So this is it. This is how you can generate 282 keyboard shortcuts all by yourself. I know this is huge. It is not easy to remember all 282 of them, and you're not going to need it all. If you are a person who frequently uses Microsoft Excel, this video will be very much helpful to you. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.